disbelievers group. There is no need at all. Why? Because fundamentally, everybody is a disbeliever to some degree. But most people are disbelievers in general. 99.9% of the people are disbelievers. Why? The human mind is naturally negative. If we start a newspaper and then you publish only negative news, violence and scandals, and that newspaper will sell more than a newspaper that's going to talk about self-help group or how to become better. So you have this problem with the human mind, that it is innately negative. So what are you going to do? You have to have believers group. The churches have believers group. And of course, the attendance is very poor there too. So what's the believers group going to do? The believers group will change the negativity of the mind. Look at the word believe. It's a mantra. I believe, 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 I believe. You have to hypnotize yourself with this word believe. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe. I believe, 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 I believe. I believe, 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 I believe. Just say believe for, say, 5 minutes. Then you will see the change within you. What do you believe in? You believe in money, or you believe in a relationship, or you believe in God. Whatever you believe, you just say, I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe. It changes the innate negativity of the disbelief of the mind to become transformed, and then you begin to believe. Otherwise, belief is too hard. To be negative and to disbelieve is very easy. So you have to take an effort to believe, but you don't have to take any effort at all to disbelieve, because that's the nature of our mind. And especially after science and technology became popular, the disbelief ratio has way up, because science and technology are based on disbelief. But eventually that disbelief leads to belief. That's another matter. And the problem with the disbelievers are, they're very strange. They don't even believe in their disbelief. They just, are disbelievers, but then they don't even have a commitment to disbelief. If they have, at least they can succeed, and they are not committing even to that. So they are frivolous disbelievers. So believe, 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 I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe. God bless.
Shreem Brzee.